Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to interface light-dependent resistor sensor with Arduino using Arduino starter kit. Basically, light-dependent resistor sensor is a variable resistor that changes its resistance in a proportion to the light exposed to it. Its resistance decreases with the intensity of light. For making this project, we need Arduino Uno and breadboard, which is fixed on Arduino base plate, 3 male-to-male jumper wire, 1 10K resistor, LDR sensor, and USB A to B cable. Plot this diagram for connection. Next, connect Arduino and the laptop or the system you are using with USB A to B cable. Now let's see the sketch of this project. First, declare a constant variable with the name LDR, which is assigned to A0, where LDR sensor is connected to Arduino. Next, declare a variable with the name input_value, which is to store ADC value from the LDR sensor, and it is assigned to 0 for initially. Inside the void setup, a function called serial.begin and set for 9600 baud, which tell the Arduino to start communicate with serial monitor at 9600 baud. Inside the void loop, a function called analog read to read the voltage analog value through the A0 pin of Arduino and store the value from analog A0 to the input_value. And a function called serial print to print the value coming from sensor on the serial monitor. Next function called serial.println to print input_value with the new line character. And finally a function called delay and set 1000, which is to update the input_value in every 1 second. Now upload the code. Now let's see how it works. Use the USB cable for power supply. And next, click the button on the Arduino IDE called Serial Monitor. This will open a new window which print different value on the screen in every 1 second. This is how the serial monitor looks. Now test out the sensor by blocking its surface from light and see what value you get on the serial monitor. That when I block the sensor, then the value of the sensor is changing. The real application of this project is that automatic street light use LDR sensor to make light on in dark. That's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.